guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am ChelseaChameleon, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell, my background is a bit different. I am in Seoul, South Korea, and my vacation is almost over. I'm actually really sad. I only have 5 more days. Yeah, I only have 5 more days. I haven't really been vlogging the past couple of days, just a couple of clips, so my vlogs for Korea are going to be a lot shorter. So I feel kind of bad for not vlogging. I just have been very busy and I've just been having other issues while I'm here, but I do want to still make content for you guys while I'm in Korea. So I'm going to do like an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing a K-beauty item. This is the MOONSHOT Lucky Box. Now I've heard of like lucky bags from Japan, and I think they're like around $100 or something, but I've never heard of like a lucky box. I got this from Boots in Seoul. I got it from the INC Mall. I think that's what it's called. I'll put it right here. But yeah, this was $10, so it was not $100, and it's supposed to be a surprise item inside. It kind of sounds like there's more than one item, so I'm hoping that there is. I've always wanted to try MOONSHOT, but this stuff is kind of overpriced, so I didn't really want to spend that much money. So I got this lucky box instead. Packaging is really pretty. It's very holographic, as you can tell. And also ignore my gross fingernails. I didn't feel like repainting my nails for this video. And also ignore the air conditioner if you hear it. So yeah, that's what the packaging looks like. So I'm just going to open it up now. Oh. Okay, so when I first open the box, I get these 2 samples. They are UV protection sun cream, and this one is SPF 50, and it says it's a smart sun primer that has sun protection, a primer effect, lightweight texture, and a cooling sensation. Then I have 3 items in the little box right here, and the first one is called the First Moon Drawing Strangers. I don't know what this is. It says ultra fine, vibrant color, long lasting, creates distinct and subtle lines. So I'm assuming this is an eyeliner. So this is the pencil, and it looks like it's a gray color. And next I got a lipstick. This is the MOONSHOT Lip Feature Stick, and this is in the color S115 or Rose on Lip. And last is the MOONSHOT Cream Paint Light Fit, and this is in the color M211 or Orange Lily, and I think you can use this as a blush or as a lip color, but I'm just going to try it on as a blush. Alright, so that is all that is in the box. So in total I got 4 items, technically 5 if you count the sunscreen twice, and it looks like I got 2 full-size items, so I'm actually pretty satisfied. I do wish that the color was different. I know in a lot of these sample boxes they tend to put a very basic kind of pink in the box or in the set, so I do wish that they did darker colors or even more vibrant reds or something, but I know that that is worth way more than $10. I really like the blush. I don't know if you can see it because my lighting is really bad in this Airbnb, but yeah, I really like the blush, and the eyeliner is okay, and I can't really test the sun cream right now. only because I am inside. However, my hand is very dewy right now, so I'm assuming that's a good thing. I guess it will give you a nice glow if you actually put it on your face. So in total, I give this box about I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Like I said, I do wish the color of the lipstick was a bit more vibrant or just different than a normal pink, because I have a lot of pinks. I love reds and purples and like different colors, but it's okay. Alright, I'm usually a little bit more enthusiastic, but I'm just really tired. I haven't had that much rest today, or really this week, so I'm just ready to go to bed. Alright, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I can make more K-beauty related videos like this. Also, if you have this lucky box, or if you have another similar one, comment down below what items do you have, or what items did you get if you got the Moonshot lucky box. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in general. Alright, you guys, I will talk to you later. Stay colorful. Bye bye. 내 곁에만 있어줘 춤춤 언제나 넌 스타일은 도도하지 마